Yo!
Ano yan?
Hey bro, nag-yo. He's hiding bro. Nagtatago si bro. Nagtatago, nagtikit-tikit-tikit. O naman. Natago pa si...
Oh.
Sige ha. Right, bet. Ka, pataya. Minto.
Oh, paintball, imagine.
I'm not gonna use sniper anymore because it's very...
Nah, wag na na, lols!
They're hacking, man. We go in groups. Dapat, we will throw a Molotov.
Bo recorded the... Bo, ang ginpost ni Kuan ni Uriah kay liwat gin-record na naton video call. Wow.
Ikaw pwede.
Bro!
Oh,
Oh!
Bo,
Yeah. Can you see?
Huh?
Bo, search up Roger edits on YouTube. Watch me
Oh,
clutch
come
this.
on, bro.
Watch me clutch
Not with
this.
you, bro.
In my dreams. I was joking. Bo, nagamit 30 use RPG.
Alright, RPG.
Michael, search up Roger edits on YouTube.
Switch
Watch
up.
Uriah's YouTube. Bo, ginbutang niya nga to ha YouTube. Playing Sad Satan with three of my idiotic friends. Say, Bo, we're not idiotic. Sino?
Oh, epic.
Zil!
Shorty.
Bo, what are you, man? Bo, edits with Z tapos space, bro. R-O-G. Bo, what? Bo.
Hey, nakita. We are so dead. May basta who ass game. Third
Yeah,
year.
oh, edit ko.
They're just hacking. They're using auto aim.
I'm gonna like.
Good boy.
No, bro. Why? We just started.
Wait.
Okay, let me join, guys.
Sige, api.
Alright, Ben.
Alright.
Join, bro.
Well, Rebels with the nerd.
Uriah. Yeah, Uriah posted himself.
No, ako. What did I do, bro?
Alright, Awan.
Wow, commercial. Drink Vitamilk. In school, you don't need to be hungry. You need to drink Vitamilk.
Hey, that was like grade 5.
No, guys, I can use my best
Stop
build.
hacking.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, what was that commercial for, bro?
English. It's for English. Ang di ba commercial? Grade 5.
Bro, you need to post it.
Post it kay Durgan pwede.
Okay, bro. That was actually tough.
I might open.
Imagine you're competing at the Olympics.
Haba.
You have one chance. You must win the gold medal. If you
Bro,
Ayaw, anay.
what would you
Namatay
do
ako.
if you were in that situation? This is El Capitan, located in Yosemite National Park. A monolithic granite
Oh, that is watching, bro.
914 meters high. This place was first discovered in the
Battlegrounds, bro, battlegrounds.
First ascent here was only achieved in 1958 by Warren Harding's team.
Bro, I forgot to buy
I
RPG.
forgot to buy more.
Today's technology, you can at least see it. With this, the team
But
filmed
I need to buy RPG, not gonna lie.
60-degree in places where you get tense and scared. Just
I know, bro, I forgot. Chill.
Yo, should
Shiver my timbers. Shiver my timbers.
Guys, should I use my mic?
Oh my days. Bentoma. Bentoma.
This half-meter space where they try to rest and sleep barely exists.
Where did this guy?
Yeah, guys, should I use my mic? Guys,
They find small cracks with their fingers and get support from there. Sometimes they try to climb by holding on
Yo,
to
guys.
that
Sige, RPG.
that exceed
Guys.
Bo, RPG spammer. Zils, use, Michael, use RPG. Zilwan, use RPG.
They do all of this with their
I don't have
fingers.
RPG,
Sometimes
bro.
this
Namig
situation
daw ako
causes them so
katana.
much pain that they can't hardly sleep.
Nag-stream si bro.
I want you to imagine yourself there for just 1 minute. Your eyes went
Oh
clouded.
my gays.
Oh my
Nag-stream si
gays.
bro.
You succumbed to gravity, and suddenly you started falling. Fortunately, as years passed, mining equipment
Nice,
was
nice, nice, nice. Nice,
Watching si
Uriah.
bro. I'm coaching the Hoas game with
Thanks to
AR.
this, they managed to minimize the damage climbers would take. All these
Ano,
climbers
Jay? I coached the whole game with AR. Bentoma, oh, Bentoma.
attach to stations they open places they
I'm so good.
Guys, should I use
Use
my mic?
mic.
person who is the subject
Sure. Yo, Mike, share. Bro, let's turn on our mic.
Nagubad
Michael,
ako.
there, may
Nagubad
bro.
ako mic. May dog buying mic.
Wait.
He is the first and only person to
Whoa.
Oh my days.
Hey, guys.
Backstab me. Yeah?
Michael, Michael, turn on your mic.
The knife guy, bro. Come on, sige. Okay, we're dead.
This climb.
Michael, did you turn on your mic? Michael, did you
Hold
turn
on,
on
wait,
your mic?
You're dead, bro.
Wait.
You're dead,
Yes,
bro.
yes.
Oh, never mind, bro. Patay na si bro.
They attach to their
Yo, what up, bro?
Bentoma, oh, Bentoma.
Yo.
What up, bro?
Dang.
What up, bro? Even though I can't hear you, bro.
Sorry, bro, na here.
Yeah.
Bro, can you hear me? I can't hear you, bro.
I can hear you too,
fuck here,
bro.
God. Oh, ano, Jay? Ano si bro? Ano, Jay?
Oy,
Ano,
sup?
Jay?
What's
What's
up?
up?
I
What's up?
suck, bro.
What's up? What's up? Man,
Nice, guys.
sniper spammer ako. I did 3 headshots, 3. Todo.
He started on June 30th, 2000.
Ay,
Yo,
bad word,
no.
bad word.
Bo, Sabado. Bo, kick Kian from the GC. Actually, hit Kian.
Let's go, let's go.
Alex was able to do this not only
Alex
with the notes he
Xander.
took during his own climbs there, but also with the support he received from those who climbed before it. In the documentary called Free Solo,
Yo, what is up? Oh my days, bro.
he talks about
Bentoma, oh,
building
Bentoma.
every year from 2009 to 2017.
Ay.
Bo, so tough.
Yes.
Hey, yo.
Perhaps
Joke
thinking our
lang.
generation isn't ready for this job
Joke
yet.
lang kasi.
You're
Stop
not.
bullying
Perhaps
me.
thinking future
Stop.
generations could benefit from my experience.
Bo, Kasholi said he's the best.
If I was going to
Let's
climb
stop.
this mountain, I needed a good
Oo, very.
Is that tough, Michael?
for helpful climbers.
No,
Wala.
absolutely. not.
Joke lang. Wow.
Tommy Caldwell
Sige, ha?
is Alex's
Dance
idol.
ka ba?
King Alex's biggest fan of his climb. He had climbed
Hey, yo.
for 20
What the hell was that, bro?
Ano si bro?
Free solo.
What is bro doing?
Take me
Ano ang
back.
ginawa
Yeah.
ni bro?
Oh, ano Jay? Ano Jay? Speedrun. Tapos na nga eh.
I need good FPS, bro. Mine runs at 20.
96. Oh my
Ayun mo, blind, bro. Oh, yeah, bro. Blind, guys. I need that.
Backstab.
Look at me.
Bilis
There's
natin,
nothing
bro.
in my heart.
Eh, kinikilig si bro.
Yo, nice! Nice, Zil.
Yeah, bro.
Zil is actually good at knife. Zil, teach me your ways.
Oh, I died. He's spamming RPG. You gotta kill him. ASAP.
Yeah,
Jay?
1v1.
Zil, you need to teach me.
Dilward,
Yo,
diba?
wait. I'm gonna...
Diba, it's Q by...
Hey bro,
I'll
mag-AFK
be
si bro.
AFK.
Hey bro, na-AFK si bro. Nabay bro, bro, si bro, nabay bro.
Look
Hey
here.
bro, may na-AFK si bro, nabay bro, nabaro,
I'm gonna watch Uriah's video. I'm gonna watch Uriah's video.
Oh, na video.
Yo, what's up?
What's
Yo,
up,
what's up?
Judy Gang?
Yo. Yo.
Whoa! Yeah, na-warningan na naman ako. I didn't even say any bad words, bro. What the hell?
Hey bro, good morning. Nabay bro, bro, sa bro, nabay bro. Okay bro.
Bro, saba na daw, bro.
Hey bro, nabay bro, nabay bro. Hey bro, na my bro, na my bro, na my bro. My bro, na my bro. Na my bro.
Oh, bro.
Ah. Oh, no.
Zoward
Na naman ka pa.
Zoward na bro. Hey bro, na my bro, na my bro, na my bro.
Oh, bro. Okay, wait. Bro, tournament na amon. I need to, guys, I'm gonna leave tournament na
Your
amon.
tournament.
Mappy, bro. Mappy.
Nah,
Ay,
bro,
bro,
this is
turn
Codem only. This only.
We're bowing
I
boss.
know.
Yeah,
Come
bro.
on.
No, not
My
rank
God,
balls.
tournament. Wait, ano
Code
ba?
M. Yeah, bro. My
Yeah,
team
bro.
needs me.
Okay, bro.
Because I'm top.
Hey bro, na may okay, bro. Bro, si bro, ano bro, si bro, na may bro, ano bro, na may bro, na may bro.
Bye, guys. Just 10 Zilward. Guys, 10 Zilward.
Bro said bro.
10 Zilward, bye.
Hey bro, na may bro, na bro, na bro.
Yo, I'ma play my
Okay,
cup,
we
bro.
finally done. Tapos na ako
Take me
mag-record.
back, back
Screenshot si
home.
bro, screenshot. SS, Michael, get to the lobby. Michael, get to the damn lobby.
Yo, I'm back.
Get to the damn lobby.
No,
We
Cody
gotta-
left.
Okay,
Why?
hold on.